My dear students, I am going to explain you that with the help of a given progression, how can we identify that whether it is in arithmetic progression or not. That means to recognize. So, suppose one example I am taking 8, 11, 14, 17, 20 and so on dot dot. Then how can we say that this is in arithmetic progression or not? For that, we have to see that second term minus first term is equals to third term minus second term or not. That means T2 is the second term, T1 is the first term, T3 is the third term, or you can say A2 is the second term, A1 is the first term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term. Then it depends on you what you suppose. So if T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2 is equals to T4 minus T3, then what you find that this common difference is coming constant. That means in every case you find the preceding, that means 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. So here 8 is the preceding term to 11 and 11 is the succeeding term to 8. So preceding term is 3 less. In every stage, you can say every terms, 8 is 3 less than 11, 11 is 3 less than 14, 14 is 3 less than 17, 17 is 3 less than 20, or succeeding terms are 3 more. Here in this example, other places it can be any other integer. It can be negative also. Okay. So here in this case, succeeding term is 3 more, 8, then 3 more is 11, again 3 more is 14, again 3 more is 17. So here we find that this difference is same, constant, and that's why this given progression 8, 11, 14, 17, 20 and so on is in arithmetic progression. In this way we can identify. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.